Jack.
Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. Uh-oh. Can't go that way. Little assistance.
Oh my gosh. Do you like this ride, Jack?
Say hi, Jack.
Sit. Jack. Sit. 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 Good boy. Make it faster.
Let's see him come zoom across real quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
Oh my God.
My piloting skills.
Okay. Say bye, Jack. Yeah. Oh, okay. We're gonna take it to the next level.
Oh. Next time, such a good time.
He's like chilling.
Alright, Jack. Alright. James, you want to come for the ride? Let's go get James in the video.
Let's do it.
Come here, James. Oh, you're going to go for the run, aren't you? Yes, you're running. You're going for the run right now. Go get him. James knew what was going on. He started running. He said, fuck that. He said, fuck that. Come again. Easy, Jack. Easy, easy.
Jack's so scared of him.
They're both so scared.
Now he's not cool with it.
Jack. Oh. Scared of a fucking cat. Start calling you the pussy. No, get off on a ride. Get off. James, say hello. Happiest looking cat in the world right here. Wow.
Happiest looking.
Wow. 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 Bye, James. Did a good job. Did a great job.
Bye.
Jack?